Apologize for the delay, but this is a wonderful turnout. Actually, this is probably the best crowd that we've had since we've started this series. So thank you so much for coming out tonight. And a huge thank you to Jay Warren of the Silent Film Society of Chicago. You're going to get a lot more Jay Warren this summer, because the Pickwick Theater is going to be hosting the Silent Summer film series throughout the summer here at the Pickwick Theater. And that's wonderful news. It's going to be a lot of fun. Of course, with theaters like the Portage, the Patio, the Des Plaines Theater close, we definitely need your support. So if you can make it out this summer, that would be great. And again, Allison and I would like to thank everyone. We really mean it for coming out tonight. There's a terrific way to end our spring series. Before I introduce our very special guest, just a couple quick announcements. The library film program that I do